Hey collectors, welcome back. Subscribe and press the bell icon to all notifications and stay tuned for more updates. Our first car is from Matchbox collector Coronation Gold State Coach. The Gold State Coach is a piece of British royal history used as every coronation since 1821 in honor of King Charles III, whose own ceremony will take place on May 6, 2023. This is one of the most popular 1953 casting, was also a replica of a gold state coach created in honor of Queen Elizabeth II coronation. This is a packed, oversized acrylic case with a window box inside a sturdy outer box. No purchase limits. The price of this gold state coach is $60. For more info, check out the links in the description. A 2023 Matchbox 70-year Special Edition number 5 of 5, a Freightliner Business Class M2. A 2023 Matchbox 70-year Special Edition number 2 of 5, a 1962 Mercedes-Benz 220 SE. Each model in this series of 5 models shares the same livery scheme of silver, grey with black, orange and white trims. A 2007 Ford Mustang will be back soon to Hotwheels basic line with Falcon livery and will have a then and now version from mixed Q case. The all-new Super Treasure Hunt version of a Mercury Comet Cyclone will be coming soon in 2023 Hot Wheels Mix L case. A new Tracking Trucks, a Bookshelf. Let's check out some sneak peeks of a new upcoming Fast and Furious cars. Our first car is a 1969 Chevy Camaro in a completely metallic blue paint job and with 5-spoke chrome wheels. Our second car is a Toyota Land Cruiser FJ60 in a complete green body color with a grey off-road wheels. The Lycan Hypersport in a completely as a repeated car from old Fast and Furious set, this time in complete red paint job with a 10-spoke black wheels. A 1971 Plymouth GTX in a complete black metallic paint job with the front white stripes on hood. And the last car is a Dodge Charger wide body in a complete metallic black paint job with the details of headlights, taillights and 5-spoke blacked out rims. Let's check out our upcoming tarmac work cars, a Pagani Zonda Revolution, this time in a complete orange paint job with a long spoiler on rear and with a 5-spoke black wheels. Let's check out a new Para 64 cars, a Honda Civic Si EM1 1999, color of a car electron blue, material made from die-cast, releasing on May 2023. Another model by Para64 presents a Honda Civic Si EM1 1999. Color of car Milano Red. Material made from diecast. Releasing on May 2023. Para64 presents a Toyota Prius 2023. Color of car Reservoir Blue. Material made from diecast. Releasing on May 2023. Another car by Para64 presents a Toyota Prius 2023. Color of a car cutting edge silver. Material made from diecast. Releasing on May 2023. A Kayadu House X Mini GT presents a Datsun 510 Pro Street HKS livery. And another model by Kayadu House X Mini GT presents a Nissan Fairlady DC Kayadu GT 95 Drifter. A Mini GT presents a Lancia Delta HF Integral Evolutionized 1992 Rally Monte Carlo Martini Racing 4 car set. Limited edition 5000 sets. The cars are a Lancia Delta HF Integral Evolutionized 1992 Rally Monte Carlo winner #4, a Lancia Delta HF Integral Evolutionized 1992 Monte Carlo winner #4 in a dirty version, a Land Rover Defender 110 1991 Safari Rally Martini Racing support vehicle, a 1:64 figurine Martini Racing WRC, and a Paddock service tent set by Martini Racing. The release date of these cars are on August 2023. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to all notifications and stay tuned for further more updates. By the way, I am your host Yash, signing out. See you in next video.